Have you ever sat next to someone and watched them work and think, "Ah, that's how you do it"? Okay, this class is all about that. It is not centered in the collage itself. I'll be making one, of course, but it's about practicing, making Photoshop your friend and learning ways of solving problems that can be quite useful. This class is for intermediate Photoshop users, as I will be skipping some of the very basic concepts. Anyway, don't worry if you're a beginner, I will provide you with the files that I will use so you can follow along. I will be showing you which shortcuts I use, my favorite Photoshop tools, and some workflow tips while going through the process of making a digital collage. I am Marcos Morales, a graphic designer and illustrator, and I've been very lucky to work on many different projects for brands, agencies, and for myself. As my work uses digital collage as its base, I have always felt the need to somehow change and own the images from different media. By spending quite a few hours a day sitting in front of Photoshop, I've adopted a way of working, and I believe that I can give you some tips on how I use it. As I said, this class is about practicing. We'll review tips that will help you go from the first selection to the moment of saving the file and making it as small as possible. So if you're ready, let's start.